All right, guys, thank you. Another informative video from Seattle Go Grillz. One question we're getting from a lot of people is how to tighten the teeth. As you can see, this one right here is going on and off. This is gonna be not fitting for the client. We're actually gonna be doing some repairs for this client. If you get grills from us, we will repair them. But we have a lot of people asking us to repair other people's grills. Unfortunately, we can't do that. I would reach out to them, but a lot of people aren't offering that services for their grills, which is unfortunate. But this video right here, we're showing, but we will repair them if they're our grills. Outside of that, we have to remake them. This, as you can see right here, is not fitting. It's going on and off right there. That's to let you know it's going to go on and off the teeth the same way. So what I would suggest, guys, in that case is get you a napkin, a nice tool like this, wrench type tool, I guess you can call it. And what you want to do is put the napkin on the outside so you're not putting this on the grill and scratching it all up. So you put that on the outside right there. See, it's cutting through a little bit, so I'm going to readjust it. Squeeze this one just a hair, guys. Don't do it a whole bunch because it won't fit at all. Squeeze that. You see how you can barely see it move, but squeeze it just a little bit. Just a little bit. Get a little bit tighter on there. And as you see when I put it back on here, see, it's tight. It's not just pushing it off. See that? Now it won't come off. I can't pull it off. I have to get a tool to get it off like this. So that basically made it tight, just squeezing it like that on those two teeth. So you see now this one's coming on and off. This one is not. So that's a quick tutorial on how to tighten your grills. We have a lot of people ask us that, so I want to do a video to actually show you guys that. One of my guys just received his grills in California. The bottom fit perfectly. The top's a little bit loose, so I'm showing him how to do this. So I just squeeze those. You can barely even see me squeeze them, guys. Just a little bit. Don't do it too much. Just a hair. Stop. Don't do it. Don't do it, because even if it gets too tight, you can still push it back on here. It'll open it back up. You see how I did that? Now it's, sorry, guys. Let me use my other finger. That's not going to stick to it. So now you see that right there? Push it back on there. See that? And how it's hot. Now it's still a little bit loose, but it's tighter. So do it just a little bit at a time, and it should tighten the teeth for you guys. So that's a quick tutorial from FredTheJeweler onto you, showing you guys how to tighten your grills. Appreciate you guys for the love and support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay positive, stay blessed, y'all.